Young Nails Acrylic Trial Kit. The unboxing official video is here with Greg Salo. He's gonna take you through some serious deets on this kit right now.
If you ever wanted to get into acrylic, this trial kit right here is gonna set you up. 5 trial size powders, 1 nail liquid, protein bond. You might consider some additional items. Swipe as your cleanser, a glass dish to pour your liquid in, and a good brush. All right. As you can see, you are going to have Cover Pink, which is my staple in most of the work that I do. Speed Clear, absolutely glass-like, insane workability. The level of pink in this French is just to die for. There's no white brighter than Speed White. And if you're looking for an absolute custom powder with custom glitter, Cover Blush is the way to go. And having a nail liquid that's going to absolutely give it that beautiful creamy workability and a bonder that's going to eliminate lifting, you have everything you need to start. All right, so the first thing you're going to notice is I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to hold the little liquid right up to the very top of the hair here at the bottom of the ferrule. And if I keep contact, you're going to notice that I'm going to be able to pour it inside my dish without it spilling down the side of your bottle. You're going to notice this light violet dye. It's absolutely beautiful. This is our UV inhibitor. This is going to protect the product from discoloration. All right, I'm going to swatch these out on the nail so that you get a really good preview to the way the color looks. Cover Pink, one of my faves. I'm going to submerge my brush. I'm going to barely tap the edge. And I'm going to do is I'm going to bounce, 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 bounce. 3 count, 4, 5. You're going to notice as soon as you set this product, it has such a beautiful workability. Look at the teardrop flow. All I'm doing is touching the top as the bead is doing all the work for me. Such an incredible way to create your smile line. Let the product do the work for you. Core French Pink, transparent and fierce. I'm gonna submerge my brush, bounce, bounce, bounce. Same workability. It absolutely just flows where you want it to go. The first thing you're going to notice is the level of transparency. It is absolutely bubble free. This product should definitely be a staple in your line because it could be blended with other colors to make them custom for your salon. Cover Blush. Submerge my brush, lightly tap. Notice that when I pick this up, it picks up so easy. What I love about this product is you have so much control. It doesn't get away from you. Really, really slow level. You can almost touch the surface and it'll guide itself down to the very, very bottom. So perfect. Speed Clear. Again, I'm going to submerge my brush. I'm going to get a beautiful pearl. Glass-like appearance. It's what you're going to be using to cover, coat, sculpt. It is really the only clear powder you're ever going to need. Speed White. I'm going to submerge my brush. I'm going to pull out a nice amount of monomer. I'm going to bounce. You're going to notice how it immediately melts into perfection. Let me show you how white this is on that smile line I created earlier. For all you veterans and beginners, I cannot wait till you get a hold of this product. It's going to give you a beautiful preview to the Young Nails line.
Hey guys, we hope you love our nail videos. Comment below and let us know what you want to see next. To see more, go right over here. To subscribe to our channel, head right over here.